can't have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to finally be showing you guys my pink room makeover. I know I've been talking about this for a little while now, but just hadn't gotten a chance to sit down and edit the footage for you guys. So finally, this is the moment you've been waiting for, to see how I started and then how it basically turns out. Now, there's still a little bit more to show you guys. At the end of this video, you're just gonna see the basic overall of the room. I do have a haul video to show you guys of the decor that I plan on putting here in the room, so stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video. But this is just pretty much the major pieces to the room that have come in. Okay, it went from a craft room to like a diva space / office. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't get a chance to do an intro before, so sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and you like this kind of stuff, decor videos, and you want to see more of my pink room, because I got a lot more to show you guys. And don't forget to hit the like button for me, okay? So without further ado, here's the video. Enjoy. So this is what the room looks like right now, you guys. We kind of started last night taking stuff down. I had like a shelving unit over here. It was a 6-shelf unit, just like this kind of unit you see here. So I had one of those over here, and then all like this stuff was on it and in it and stuff like that, as well as the stuff up there. So what I'm planning on doing is giving this dust to my son. He's gonna take that. His room is like red and white. He loves Supreme, so I'm gonna let him hold that for the time being. I'm gonna probably paint this table right here white, and that will be like my little table for the room. I'm planning on getting a love seat to put in here and a nice rug. So yeah, we'll see. But this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna give y'all the before, and then I'll give y'all after. It's kind of junky in here because, like I said, I never really got settled in this room. I was working, but it was never really a functioning, working room. I was trying to get it there, but never quite got it there. So some of my work. And these are all for sale. I made this thing too. I crochet, if you guys didn't know. There's my Cricut, and as well as some other cups up there. So this is the room, guys. This is the room. These are all little resin pieces that I've made that I just haven't finished up yet. Yeah, I just keep some there, and there's some, I have some put away too. These two things will eventually come down. Yeah, we've got some work to do in here. So that's it for now. So it's like days later or whatever, but I'm trying to clear out the room now. Like, it was a mess in here. I had just stuff just everywhere because this happened so abruptly. But I'm just gonna show y'all here. I cleared off the table here, so I'm getting ready to take this top off, and I'll probably just put it in the garage for now. And then I'm gonna be turning the two, I don't know what you call these things, but I'm gonna turn those around so that they face outward, and then later on we'll work on filling in the spaces, like, because I have junk, not junk, but it's my stuff in there now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to like organize this stuff. You see, it's like some craft stuff, some books, and more craft stuff at the bottom. So now that this is gonna be like a diva-ish room, I'm gonna have to figure out how to organize that stuff, so that I still have stuff that I want to craft with, but also stuff that looks nice, you know, looks pleasing to the eye. So my table came in today. My coffee table for in here came today, and I think my couch is coming today, my love seat. So the rug is already here. As you can see, y'all see we got the curtains. Y'all already saw husband putting that up. Let me just turn y'all around real quick. I think I'm gonna take this out of here. I was thinking about just like changing the handles and putting some fancier handles on it so that I can still have like storage in here. I'm still kind of undecided on that, but however it goes, one of these things will have to move because it's just going to be too cluttered. So I'm going to figure all of this out today. This is what we have going on. Like I said, that chair will probably stay in here. I will be getting a new office chair eventually because this one is not all that comfortable to be sitting in for 8 hours because I do work from home. So yeah, that's that. So I'll get another chair eventually. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and break this down, turn these around, and then we'll start assembling the table, and probably have to pull out the vacuum and stuff again and just kind of start getting situated. But this is what the progress is so far. This is gonna have to find a new home. Yeah, it was just temporary. And I just got a lot of stuff, y'all. I just need space, like storage places to put stuff. Okay, these two things will also be coming down. This will be going out into the garage because I mostly use this for like the resin work that I do, and my resin work will now be done outside in the garage. Well, I have been doing it in the garage, but when we first moved here, I thought that I would be doing it here, and so I had the glitter set up there. But that'll be moving. My I forget what you call that, project board or whatever kind of board that is. I forget what that's called, but that will probably move out into the garage as well. I'm going to be making a space for myself out in the garage. I already have a desk out there, but I kind of have to set up, you know, a nice working area for me out there. And that's a whole nother project. But yeah, that's what's going to happen. I'm not sure about this picture, if that's going to stay there or if I'm going to replace with a mirror or what I'm going to do with that. But this is what we're looking like. I love my curtains. You see how the stars are cut out? And it's like, if I close these, like it'll be like stars shining in the room. So nice. So yeah, guys, I have got a lot of work to do in here. This is what it's all looking like. I do want to get some more shelves because I want to be able to still display my work. And I'm going to do something here, fixing this so that it doesn't look so yucky like this. So maybe put some butterflies or something, or I don't know, something to kind of hold up the wire. As you see, the wire's kind of hanging down, so I kind of want to have it hanging up to the rod. So I'm going to figure that out. And then I think I'm getting a TV on this wall. Pretty sure it's going to be a television. So this whole room is changing. The whole room is changing. It's no longer going to be a craft room. It's going to be more like a diva room, my little pink corner. And this is where I'm going to be chilling, where I'll probably do like a lot of my crocheting. I'm not sure if I'm going to still be able to sew in here. I did take my sewing machine upstairs to the bedroom. So I don't know where I'm going to be sewing now. But like I said, the resin work will be done out there, and of course any kind of Cricut work that I have to do will be in here as well, set up with the office stuff. So yeah, let's get busy. Alright, you guys, so I just want to show you this real quick. I have these Velcro strips on here to kind of hold that top, that top table that I had on here. And it was a makeshift thing, but it's ruined now because it's so sticky. And so I'm trying to take it off without completely tearing off the white part, but some of it is coming off. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look at that, it's just peeling off. I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix that. I'm gonna have to get some type of covering on the top of this to conceal that now. That sucks. And it is so sticky. It's just peeling right off. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm so annoyed about that. Oh. And it's on both of them. Terrible, and I'm super annoyed about that. But I think what the solution is probably going to be is to get some contact paper and just put on top of that, and that'll fix it. I can get something that's decorative, or hopefully I can find a white or something like that, and we'll fix that right up. But it just sucks that happened, y'all. Oh, I had no idea.
Pretty. You gonna come home, I'm gonna be laying up in here eating my chips, watching TV. Hell no. You watch.
Did y'all hear my husband? He is so crazy, y'all. But anyway, at this point, I needed to start moving everything out of the room. I needed to start off on a clean slate. I needed, vision. And so I couldn't see what was going on in this room with all of the stuff still in here. So I had like drawers in here, different, the plastic container, 3-tiered drawers. I had that underneath there. Like I said, this was a craft room. So I had all of my craft materials, in these drawers and on those shelving units. And yeah, I had quite a bit of stuff. As a crafter, you accumulate a lot of stuff. So yeah, I just had to get everything out so that we can move this desk around. You'll see me move it over to the window at one point, and then I move it over to another area. But that's all the stuff over there. I just needed to move everything out of there so we can, like I said, have a clean slate to work with. the original plan was to move the desk in front of the window, and then I was going to put the couch up against the wall with that picture that you see of that open window, but things didn't really work out too well, so you'll see what I did next.
I can hear them thinking out loud, loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking, talking, talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey, they don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us. No, they wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in.
So rather than paint that table white, that wooden table that I had, we decided to go ahead and get this as a coffee table, this silver table, and I think it was a really good choice. It's really pretty, and I think it'll set off the room really nice.
One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue.
So at this point, I realized I didn't really like the way the room was setting up. And so, you know, with the decorating and remodeling things, you kind of have to move things around, you know, until you get them to your liking. And so I just didn't like the way it was looking. So I decided to turn the rug this way and move my desk to the other wall. And this is just a better, I think it looks better like when you walk into my room and you look at it walking into the front door and you see my room off to the side. This just looks a little bit more cozier. So in this clip, I'm explaining to my husband, like, this looks better this way. Let's do it this way.
They don't get it, babe.
Y'all, I'm so grateful for my husband. He hangs everything in the house, and he did such a good job. But yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. This is how everything turned out. I'm going to show you the TV, how it looks in just a moment. Yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching. I had fun doing this makeover with my husband. That's Sugar King on the TV. Do y'all watch him? He's hilarious. But anyway, this is how the TV area looks, and then you'll see the sitting area in just a moment. But yeah, stay tuned for the decor portion of the video. It's not quite finished just yet, y'all. I have so much more to show you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.